Hello everyone. As you may have guessed, today we're having a burger eating championship. So, we bought 1,000 burgers and invited about 40 people. The conditions are the same for everyone. Whoever eats the most burgers will win the prize of $500. It will only go to one person, the record holder of the day. Each person will have one bottle of water on their table for them. One glass, one plate with 5 burgers on top of it, and also there will be the black bag right here on the table. Well, I think you understand what this is for. We're prepared for any situation.
Oh yeah.
What happens next? The participants sit down and start eating their burgers. If you finish these 5 burgers, more will be served to you. If you can't eat anymore, you take this white flag and signal that you are done. That's it. Finished. You've lost. It's very simple and clear. Well, now let's start, you guys. Hello to everyone. Let's go. Let's start with the fact that everyone here should be 18 years old, so get your passports ready. All right, let me remind you again, today we're having a food eating championship. So when you came here, you understand that if you accidentally die, I'm not responsible for that. It's your decision. I hope everyone will stay alive though, and I don't want to lose followers. Well, participants, you can take your seats at the table. Let's go. How do you think? How many burgers do you think you'll eat?
I don't know. I think I can handle as many as fit. I never had this much before.
Well, probably just what's in here.
7. Let's write that down.
Let it be 8 at maximum.
10.
10.
20.
5.
15.
I think I'll eat about 4. I'll definitely eat 5. I'll try.
I don't know, 15 or 10 or 7.
All right, each participant will be given an hour and a half in total from the moment that you all start the competition. The person who eats the most burgers will receive the cash prize of $500, but only one person will win. Everyone needs to weigh themselves as well and write it down. I'm really curious to know how much the winner will weigh at the end of this. On the count of 3, we'll start. 3. Woohoo! Choo-choo. Do you have any strategy?
I made a mistake this morning. I had breakfast.
What about you?
I have strategy, and I'm using it.
Really?
Yes.
Drinking water?
No strategy, just eating.
I'm just eating.
They'll be very surprised if this whole mountain of hamburgers is finished by the end of the competition.
Well, brother, my strategy doesn't work. I've had a bigger stomach, slowly chewing and drinking a lot. That might work, but my stomach is against it.
Want to start with the meat?
Yeah.
How many burgers should I bring you?
5.
5. We already have the first person who asked for more. And he doesn't have a strategy. He's lying.
Well, I need my metabolism to start so everything goes smoothly while I eat something else, so that's it.
You 3 are the only girls who managed to come to such an event like this today. What brought you here in the first place?
We love to eat. New experiences. Eating and experiencing.
We certainly had no reasons to go to class today.
What will you say to your teacher?
I'm sick.
It's already been 11 minutes, and at least 5 participants have eaten 5 burgers each, and we keep giving them more.
Listen, will you eat all these hamburgers right
Yeah,
now?
that's easy. Of course not, bro.
So guys, it turns out you do have some sort of
Eating
strategy.
while standing so that more food goes through.
Does it help you any?
Yeah, I think so. Well, I know for a fact that speed eaters jump wealthy.
So you've watched special food eating tournaments for this?
Yeah.
And do they do that there?
Yeah. Can I get more burgers?
You want 5 more burgers?
Yeah.
Seriously? One of the participants thinks that he can eat 15 burgers, so we're giving him 5 more burgers. He has a special tactic. He eats the patties first, and then he'll eat all of the buns after.
You're probably Googling how to eat a burger quickly, right?
Yeah.
Bring 5 burgers over here.
Where's the person?
I heard that you don't like meat.
Yeah, I don't like it.
You don't like meat, but you're eating it.
I am.
I see. There's nothing that you wouldn't do. Competitive spirit.
Can I have 5 more, please?
Are you giving up?
Yeah.
So you just came to eat.
I just wanted to participate, and I was hoping there would be chicken burgers because I hate cheeseburgers.
Another person. I hate pickles. They make me sick.
Honestly, for some reason, I thought that people would compete for much longer. Here is my record. I ate 8.5 burgers in 10 minutes. I couldn't eat anymore. But that was in 10 minutes, not 1.5 hours. Someday, maybe I'll test that again.
How are you doing there?
Well, okay, we have our own tactic as always, eating slower so that more fits in. The girl says that if you eat slower, more will fit in. I think it's opposite because you eat slowly, your brain realizes that you're eating and you get full faster. Eating the same kind of food gets boring.
Well, good luck.
Thank you.
Guys, how are you doing? 6?
Yeah, that's tough.
I'm eating the 6th one. The 6th one? Are you compacted it? Yeah.
It's been 30 minutes and 3 people have already given up. And honestly, knowing that there's a whole hour ahead, I would never have given up. I would just stay and eat the burgers later. By the way, something I noticed. For some reason, the people on the left side, they're eating quite actively. They have some kind of tactic, you know what I mean? And on the right side, for now, people are mostly just giving up. And also I noticed that the 3 girls are sitting on the right side. Maybe it's somehow related to that, you know what I mean?
Well, are you ready to put out the white flag or
Not yet. I want the second plate.
Seriously?
Yeah, of course.
You don't like meat, but you're asking for more servings. Let's do it.
Done. Another serving.
The monotony is annoying. I mean, if there were different flavors, at least somewhat, it would be interesting. I'm not full, but it's not passing through the oral cavity.
If you were sure that you could eat, let's say, 20 burgers and win, then I think that you would still continue eating.
Yeah, I don't eat much.
Whoa, they say the slower you eat, the thicker you'll
Yeah, they'll
be.
start stuffing their mouths with 5 burgers, they'll start vomiting. I'll be the only one left.
I'm not sure if this tactic works, but we'll see. Have you ever eaten burgers before this?
Oh, yeah.
What's your record? Like 2 or 3 in one sitting, maybe?
No, usually I get some fries and a burger.
So 1 burger is the maximum.
Yeah.
Big Mac and chicken burger, that's it.
2 pieces.
6. In about 20 minutes.
Why do you do that?
I was just hungry. 3 or 4? 3. I don't eat burgers at all.
I've eaten at most 1 burger, so for me, eating 2.5 is already a record.
One of the guys decided to share his secret tactic so that nobody would hear it. So maybe it will come in handy for me someday.
Well, as we know, there's bread in burgers, and bread gets stuck. I mean, it's hard to digest, but if you drink something with it, it goes faster, gets compacted faster, then you wait for 15 minutes, and you can continue eating.
Another person gave up. Why? Explain.
I'm gonna let others win.
I see. That's called charity, you guys. We still have 57 minutes ahead, so you're already appearing in my 3rd video. Again. Please
It's not
get
me.
a haircut, man.
No. Seriously, the fixies.
Yeah.
I laughed just now.
It's a special tactic that allows a person to calm down, and then their stomach starts digesting as quickly as possible. Tested it on myself.
I've eaten burgers only like 3 times in my life. One at a time. I don't need them at all. I just really want to win. Did you have the desire to put the white flag out?
No.
No, we still have almost an hour, so I think I'll rest now and be able to eat more.
You guys, well, honestly, who believes in their victory right now? So raise your hands. That's right, you'll be the ones that win. Maybe you already realize that this game's over.
It's a great event. The host is fun, great. The contests are exciting.
I'm almost 1,000,000,000% sure that for some reason, I think that you're going to win. The question is, how will you spend the money?
Well, I've always dreamed of building my own computer someday, but when I have such a large sum of money now, then I'll probably think further about what to do with it. But I don't think it'll be a computer, because I can spend all the money on a computer now and continue living in a dormitory. So I'll have to move somewhere else, I think.
How many burgers have you eaten?
10.
You've eaten 10 burgers.
Nice job.
I don't know how they do it, you guys. Who has emptied their stomach? Come on, tell me. Did you at least do it in the bag?
Almost.
Almost. 1 person has already vomited. Honestly, I thought people would control the moment when it's worth continuing to eat and when it's not. But apparently it's not that easy, especially when there's a chance to win a large sum of money. Igor.
Yeah,
You're 29 years old as far as I know, right?
that's correct.
So what brought you here? Tell me.
Just to participate, you know, I
That's
just
great.
like
Yeah.
challenges.
Well, what do you think? If someone suddenly eats the same amount of burgers now, will you be able to eat more or will you give up or what?
Well, I definitely won't give up.
And you ate, I suppose, 11 burgers. So you're almost on equal terms right now. And you'll fight it out until the end. I think that today we'll need to get some stretchers and take somebody away.
Forgive me, Mama.
If 2 or 3 people eat the same number of burgers until the end, then I suppose there will be a continuation for those people left until someone eats some more or who vomits first.
What are you guys eating? You won't be able to beat them. You can't eat that much.
We're just sitting here drooling already, so we felt like eating, honestly, you know what I mean?
Your health costs more than $500.
I'm done. I'm tired, and the eating session's over. I give up. Let's say goodbye to him. He doesn't want to do it for himself for some reason.
Meanwhile, let's look at the time. 12 minutes left. For some reason, it seems to me that the maximum today will be, 14 burgers. That's the limit. And I even know who will do it.
I think he hasn't eaten for 2 days.
Have you eaten before this?
Well, I had dinner last night actually. So I read that prior to such competitions, you should have a meal and then must not eat for 24 hours. But I still ate, nevertheless. Just so you know, yesterday I drank a lot of water to stretch my stomach. Normally, it's not that stretched.
But stretching out your stomach with water, you know, that was really tactful. Listen, I didn't understand. Why did you come here? You came here to eat.
Well, I've already eaten.
He already gave
So
up.
you just decided to make roses, right, for the whole team?
Yeah, well, I can't do it for everyone here.
Or is it, are those dumbbells? What is it?
Well, they asked me to teach them. So you twist it like this and make a pattern. Everyone just stand there like, what's
This is
going on?
insane, honestly.
And also very tight.
Very interesting and curious. I understand that there's an advantage in having so many people, and they're very versatile. You can learn something for yourself. You have 10 minutes left, you guys. You've eaten 12 and a half burgers. You've eaten 14 burgers. How is that even possible? And are you sure that if you push harder, there won't be any? Nothing
I'm
can
not
help?
pushing harder.
There are 5 minutes left. Do you think that you're losing right now? And can you change anything in these 5 minutes and swallow that piece right there? You just have to swallow it. It's so intense. Just a reminder, 5 minutes left. If you swallow these burgers now, you'll mostly get it. If you continue at the same pace, then it will be a tie. There are 2 leaders left. One has eaten almost 15 burgers now, and the other has eaten 14. There's a chance that one can catch up with the other, and, well, anything can happen now. It'll be surprised. 2.5 minutes left.
Think carefully, are you sure?
No, I'm gonna vomit.
Are you giving up? Get a bag ready just in case. You won! The money is yours. You can count it. Congratulations.
I ate a lot, but thank you.
You did it deservedly. It may not be a world record, but it's 15 burgers in 1.5 hours.
I'm incredibly happy. I've never received such a large sum of money in an instant. I've never seen Mamix himself and the whole team. I'm just here for the first time in this place, and it's awesome.
That's very cool, and I still cannot wrap my head around it. 15 burgers, how? Of course, the weigh-in. Let's go. Before this, you weighed 82 kilograms and 7 grams. How much do you weigh now? 84.5 kilograms. Gaining just 800 grams by eating 15 burgers, but you have to know just how to do it. And also winning some money, that's very well done. Well, and that's the end of this video clip. Good luck to everyone. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye to everyone.